everyone! Welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. Today we have a fun art project from Cassie Walker, an art teacher from Utah. Hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to have your artwork uploaded to your Artsonia gallery.
Hey everyone, welcome to Artsonia's After School Art Club. My name is Cassie Walker and I teach elementary school art in Sandy, Utah. Today for our project we are going to be printmaking and we're going to be creating patterned paper. You can use this paper to cut up and make other things. You can use it to wrap a gift. I'm going to show you several different ways that you can do this project. And first things first, let's look at the supplies that we need to get started. All right, Leo's gonna help me get some supplies that you're gonna need for this printmaking project. For this project, you're just gonna need normal white copy paper or printer paper. I've tried this project before on watercolor paper, and while that looks pretty cool, what I was trying to do with printmaking didn't really work out. So you're gonna need a paper plate. Thank you. Some markers. These need to be washable markers. I have some Crazy Art ones, some Crayola markers. That will work just fine. Thank you, Leo. You're gonna need some scissors. There they are. Thank you for holding them properly. And a pencil or a pen. And lastly, you will need a water bottle, like a squirt bottle. Just like this. Just like this. Okay. Let's review those supplies one more time. Once again, you will need paper, either copy paper, a styrofoam paper plate, either a pen or a pencil, markers. They just need to be washable. So as long as they're washable, you can have any brand you want, a pair of scissors, and a squirt bottle. All right. Your first step is we need to get just a flat piece of this styrofoam plate. I'm gonna try to make it as much of a square as I can, but I'm not really worried if it's perfect. So just cutting off, starting at those rounded edges. That's what I'm looking for. All of this can be thrown away, and this is going to be our printing plate. You can create any design you want when you're doing printmaking. For today though, we're just gonna create a simple pattern using line. Now I'm gonna be using a diagonal line for my pattern. The one I created before, I used horizontal or vertical lines, but they were all going the same direction. So for this one, I'm just gonna start by adding some lines. Now when I draw the first time, I'm just gonna draw lightly and I'm not gonna worry about really pressing into the styrofoam. I'm gonna do that the second time. This kind of lets me have a minute in case I don't like what I'm drawing. Then if it's light, I can maybe go back and change it. So I'm just doing a variety of lines, but they're all going in the same direction. Okay, the second time, I'm gonna go over everything and I'm gonna press really hard. Now I don't wanna press so hard that it goes through to the back, but still, I really wanna indent the styrofoam. Leo's coming for a chat. Curvy lines are really tricky. If you want to keep it simpler, definitely stick with straight lines. These curvy lines can be tricky business. Once we have it all engraved with our pen, see I tried not to pop through to the back, but I got pretty close. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna color it. So I'm gonna have Leo choose a color for me. Nice. All right, I'm gonna choose 2 or 3 colors, and I am actually just going to fill in my printing plate, which is what this is now called, because I'm about to print on it. I'm not looking to create an intricate pattern, although you certainly can. Nice, Leo likes green, he's a fan. And And we're gonna do one more. Blue. Excellent. We're gonna fill this in, and I'm actually gonna fill in the rest of my printing plate. Every time I make a print, I'm going to want to come back to this and just color it in. And I'm gonna show you what happens several different ways. Once you have your plate all colored in, you're gonna bring over your piece of copy paper and you're just going to lightly spray it, like one time. That's it. You don't want to saturate it or douse it or make it too wet or the colors will get really runny. But you just want to have one nice little spritz on the area that you're planning on printing. And you are going to line up your plate and you're going to press it down. And you can rub it with the side of a marker. This is called burnishing. It's really getting the ink off of your plate and onto the paper. Once you're done, you're gonna peel it up, and that is what it looks like. So this process, you actually just repeat. So I'm gonna color this in one more time. One little spritz right there, not getting it too wet, but I'm gonna rotate. I have my two lines that go right here, and I'm actually just gonna flip it to create a mirror image of my print right next to it. Lay it down, use a marker to rub it and really get that ink, runaway marker, and peel off my plate. And there it is. Now I can keep going and filling in my paper, and I'm going to show you what that's like when I'm done. So at this point, I can either print another one, and if I had extra paper to slide under there, I could actually print again right here and again right here and use it as wrapping paper. I can cut it up and create another project with it, or simply frame it as a work of art in and of itself. Thank you for taking the time and joining Leo and I as we showed you some cool printmaking techniques. Feel free to do exactly what we've done here or make it your own and create something completely different. The cool thing about creating a printing plate is that you have like a stamp. You can create something and use it over and over and over again. I will see you next time. Bye. Bye. Oh, hi, Leo. Thank you for joining me today.